Okay, so today I am showing you how to go and use a medium hook, otherwise known as this little thing. Focus. Okay, I'm using a Ace Hardware small lock, about 3 inches. Here. This thing I'd say is about here. This thing is, for reference. Sorry, this thing is like really crappy. This thing is approximately 3.7 inches wide, long, and 170 widthwise, okay? And it is, let's see here, 250 inches. We'll put that. Okay. Enough of that. Okay, what we're gonna do, okay? This is just my personal opinion. You can do whatever you want, okay? Most people use top of the keyway tension if they're dealing with like smaller locks. Personally, I prefer bottom. Okay? You're gonna stick it in. Stick it, I know that's what she said. You wanna stick it in the bottom, like that. And apply moderate pressure on this tool right here. Okay? Making a twist. Then what you're gonna do, okay? You're gonna go ahead and take this tool, the medium hook, put it all the way to the back. Okay? And just go ahead and push up, like, use your middle finger as a little guide, and just do that, little nicks, until you feel it click. And you're gonna have to do that like a couple times. See, sometimes it'll be easier than others, like, well, I should probably prove this. Okay, see? Locked. Now I'm doing this on video, I'm probably not even gonna get it. Let's see if I can hear it. Okay, so it turns out I could not do it on camera, but here is some more footage of me doing it with the short medium hook, just as a reference. Probably won't be the exact same, but it'll work.